Rockets fired from HIMARS, or High Mobility Artillery Rocket Systems, have struck hundreds of Russian targets in Ukraine, including ammunition depots and command and control posts. These strikes have restricted Russia's warfighting capabilities. The impact is so significant that Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu has ordered his forces to prioritize destroying them. But things have not gone according to plan for Russia. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Ukraine is tricking Russia into using precious precision weapons to destroy fake HIMARS. Let's get started. HIMARS has one universal pod that can accommodate one MGM-140 Army TACMs or 6 unguided or guided missiles of 227mm caliber. While Army TACMs that have a range of 186 miles or 300 kilometers have not been provided to Ukraine, GMLRS, or Guided Multi-Launch Rocket System supplied to the country, have provided excellent results. GMLRS can reach a land target at a maximum range of 46 miles or 75 kilometers and have a reliability rating exceeding 98% for a CEP of 10 meters. The Washington Post reported Ukraine is using wooden decoys made to look like rocket launchers to trick Russia into wasting its missiles on them. The decoys are made of wood but look like HIMARS when spotted by Russia's drones. The drones then send the location of the dummy launchers to Russia's cruise missile carriers in the Black Sea, prompting the carriers to fire, but on useless targets. The report was based on interviews with senior U.S. and Ukrainian officials, and photos of the wooden decoys have also been accessed. The Washington Post reported, citing a senior Ukrainian official, that Russia used at least 10 Caliber cruise missiles in the first weeks of Ukraine trying the strategy. Caliber is an expensive and potent weapon. Some variants of Caliber are equivalent to the American Tomahawk cruise missile in many parameters, such as range, warhead, and propulsion. These have a range of 2,500 kilometers or 1,554 miles, are equipped with a 450 kilogram or 1,000 pound high explosive warhead, and have a speed of Mach 0.8. Russian Ministry of Defense stated in a daily briefing that between July 5th and 20th, 4 launchers and 1 reloading vehicle for the U.S.-made multiple launch rocket systems, HIMARS, were destroyed. A Russian MOD telegram post said that 2 of these were taken out in Malin-Taranovka in the Donbas, along with 2 ammunition depots for the weapon. More such claims have been made since then. These claims have been rejected by both Kyiv and Washington. The Washington Post noted that the dummy systems may have been behind Russia's claim that it had destroyed some HIMARS, even though Ukraine denies it, and the U.S. says all HIMARS are accounted for, working, and still in Ukrainian hands. Ukraine's defense at this stage is mostly being mounted using Western-supplied weapons, and HIMARS is turning out to be one of the most effective ones. Earlier, in comments on Russian television, Defense Minister Alexei Reznikov underlined the growing impact of the high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, are having as Ukraine tries to repel Russia's invasion. Reznikov said, "This cuts their, Russian, logistical chains and takes away their ability to conduct active fighting and cover our armed forces with heavy shelling. It's well known that Russia is running low when it comes to precision weapons like the Caliber and will find it difficult to replenish the stocks because of sanctions on Russia that prevent it from acquiring chips needed for these weapons." It's clear that out-of-the-box thinking from Ukrainians is playing a crucial role in this conflict. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.